Hello students, welcome to the third video of the lecture series Target HS 2019 Physics. Today we will be discussing the chapter Magnetic Effects of Current and Magnetism. So let us start. First we have the Oersted's experiment. You may expect a 1-mark conceptual question on this. Then you have the Biot-Savart law and its applications to find magnetic field due to an infinitely long straight wire and a circular loop. Here, memorize both the scalar and vector form for this law, as you may expect a 1-mark question asking you to write the Biot-Savart law in vector form. Following up, we have the Ampere's circuital law and its applications to find the magnetic field intensity due to a wire, a solenoid and a toroid. Remember that for the wire we have two cases, point of observation outside and point of observation inside the wire. Both are important. Next topic is to find an expression for force on a conductor when placed in a uniform magnetic field, that is the formula F equal BIL sin theta. Also go through the derivation of force between two long straight conductors and study the definition of 1 ampere that can be derived from this formula. Next, you have the moving coil galvanometer, the current and voltage sensitivity of a galvanometer, and the conversion of galvanometer to ammeter and voltmeter. You may expect numericals from this part. Then go to the topic magnetic force, the formula F equal Q V cross B. Next very important topic is to study the motion of charged particle in a uniform electric field and uniform magnetic field. In an electric field, the path of the particle will be parabolic, and in a magnetic field, the path may be straight, circular or helical. And for the helical path, do not forget to find the expression for pitch of the helical path and derivation of expression for the time period. Lastly, in this part you have the cyclotron, which is just an application of motion of charged particle in the presence of electric and magnetic fields. This is all about magnetic effects of current. In this unit, we have an additional chapter called Magnetism. A 1 or 2 marks question may be asked from this part in your final examination. First, study the magnetic field lines and their properties. Remember the point that magnetic monopoles do not exist. Then you have the magnetic dipole, expression for magnetic field intensity at any point on the axial or equatorial line of the dipole. Torque on a dipole placed in a uniform magnetic field, and expression for potential energy of a magnetic dipole. Moving on, you need to study the Earth's magnetic field, horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field, dip and declination. Numericals from this part is expected. Finally, you have the magnetic materials, that is para, dia and ferromagnetic materials and their properties. And lastly, the hysteresis curve. Go through the definition of coercivity and retentivity in hysteresis curve. So this is all about this chapter. I hope this video will be helpful for your final examination preparation. If you have liked my video, then please press the like button. Subscribe my channel if you haven't done it yet, and do press the bell icon for regular updates.